Natalia is here! Case natin ng... Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. Sige nga, Case. Please greet our friends from the press.
Good evening po. Ayun. Sorry, na-late po ako. Pero galing po ako ng shoot ngayon. And, what can I say? I'm really happy to be part of, thank you po to be part of Ikaw Lamang. And to be working with such great actors and such respected actors. Napakalaking karangalan and I'm very grateful. So,
thanks, Case. We'll get back to you. Sasagutin ni Miss Rio yung tanong. And of course, our creative manager, Tita Ethel, sasagutin ni Miss Reggie Amigo ang tanong mo kung paano mag-evolve si Lupe. Now portrayed ba? Portrayed by Miss Rio.
Oo. Kasi noon parang neither here nor there si Meryl.
Opo. Pero kasi po, remember po si Meryl as Lupe, witness naman po siya sa lahat ng bagay-bagay. And in fact, kapatid niya namatay sa kamay ni Franco and Maximo. So actually si Lupe and Calixto, si Calixto, sila po yung magke-carry over ng lahat ng puot at saka galit ng mga tao from the past. But at the same time, ito pong role ni Tito Rio, siya yung moral compass. Siya yung nagpapalambot sa character ni Gabriel, whereas si Calixto naman, siya yung nag-uudyok. Kaya malaki po yung nila, yung at stake sa kanila at saka yung kanilang weight sa kabuuan ng kwento at saka sa main characters natin.
Since you are there, Reggie, how can we expect si Arlene at saka si Mr. Manoloto to come in?
Actually, kasi po, yung character po nila, sila po yung nakasave sa batang Andrea sa barko na sumabog. So, going in, kinukup nila yung bata, not knowing who she is, at pinalaki nila ng maayos. Kaya po, kung tutuusin, yung role ni Kim, this next chapter, is very different from Isabel, na si Isabel is punong-puno ng drama sa buhay, yung sobrang hinanakit and pain. Dahil sa kanila po, pinalaki nila ng maayos, ng masaya si Kim. Kaya si Kim lumalaki po ng masayahing bata, not knowing po yung depth ng kanyang past.
Thank you. Ang ganda ng role ni Kim.
I know.
Ngayon si Casey, my last question.
Casey,
how does it feel na parang kontrabida ka dito to the max?
maganda nga po yung to the max.
Oo nga,
Maganda
kasi
po
bata
yung-
pa.
Maganda
You hate
po
her
yung
na,
niya.
Natalia.
Maganda po yung journey niya. Starting from yung bata na nakikita niyo na yung pag-mold ng mga directors. Actually, they did a very good job molding the actress that played Natalia. Kasi makikita niyo talaga na yun na yung personality niya na meron siyang hinanakit, meron siyang concept na parang iniwan siya ng mommy niya for love for another man. So, dala-dala niya yun all throughout hanggang sa lumaki na nagdalaga na. So, I'm very happy to be playing this kind of role na character. It's not totally good, it's not totally bad. It's interesting to play around with, and we have our directors to work with also, the writers who are doing such a great job giving us an easier job to figure out kung sino yung mga ginagampanan namin. I'm very happy. This is the kind of role I really love to do, offbeat and not really, it's very different, very interesting, very nice to play with.
Ano expectation mo kay Boyet? Who at in their time ng mami mo?
Kinargahan niya.
Kinabahan po ako.
At saka, the same question for Mr. De Leon.
Expectation kay Tito Boyet, kinabahan talaga ako at first. Kasi hindi ko alam yung technique, kung ano yung talagang magiging attack ni Tito, kung ano yung magiging style, or kung parang kaya ko bang sumama sa isang scene na kasama yung...
may ganun ka, inaaral mo yung co-actor mo.
Hindi naman po, parang syempre kailangan mong mag-blend dun sa style po ng pag-attack nila ng scenes. So maganda yung naging
You've done a lot of
discovery
scenes
ko.
na, no?
Kasi we're the closest. I'm very close to my father. I'm his only ally. And meron talaga silang relationship na through and through, yun yung core niya. So, kailangan ko talagang malaman kung paano kami But he's who he is naman. Nakakatakot ka din minsan.
Sir Boyet. The question is for Sir Boyet din, Tita Ethel.
Masaya yung the first time nagkaroon kami ng eksena ng Casey. She's a lot different now. She's very into it. Kasi the last time, although wala kami masyadong eksena, we did Lovers in Paris. Wala kami masyadong eksena. But this time, she's really, she is very serious with what she's doing. And she made me feel like I am her father. And she was so sweet that day, and that time, every scene that we made, and ganun na rin ako. I would look at her as like really my daughter. So, medyo ang ganda ng chemistry, and so far, so good.
Naramdaman namin kagabi, Sir Boyet, yung eksena.
Yeah.
Last night.
Yeah, and there's more to it. And of course, there's more to it.
Thanks, Sir Boyet. But before that, she made it again, pa unti-unti, but one of the 3 directors